Hey guys, so somebody messed up and left the door unlocked. So we are in the house. Oh, it's a lot of, some of the power isn't on. Oh my goodness. Dang, the lights ain't on this side. Why you left the door open? Oh y'all, with the flooring, I wish y'all could see, but I don't know how to get the lights on, y'all. I don't know how to get the lights on. The back door was unlocked too. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the ones down here. Yeah, ain't it? I know, I wanted it on top of my mantle.
Why don't you just put it right here and just have it come from your feet? It defeats the purpose of it.
There's something in there, but I can't see what it is. Oh, shit. Oh, y'all think somebody in?
Hello?
Hello? Go. Oh, God. It looks really good. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I saw it.
We do?
I could just fall in good.
They do look good. I told you they had gray in them. They're really dusty. And do your business. Oh, yeah. They got the lights on upstairs, but I don't know what's going on with the downstairs portion. They have really been getting it together in here. But y'all, they pushed us back yet again for our closing date. It didn't go back too far, but it went back like 2 weeks.
On my birthday.
Which is okay. I mean, we've been waiting this long.
This is on my birthday.
It's okay. It looks good on it.
It's on my birthday.
Okay, guys, I am locked out. Someone has went in and blue taped everything for us. I'm standing outside looking in through the sliding glass door. But yes, look, we got our appliances and everything. How exciting. If only we could go inside. Well, we should be having our walkthrough, our new home orientation next week. So yes, the floors are really, really, really dirty. I can't wait to see what they look like when they clean them up. But yes. Hey guys, so I am here getting ready to do my final walkthrough. A week into closing. 1 week, 1 week, 1 week.
Don't get my dirty. You trying to record us. I'm Ashley.
I still have to clean. Looks good.
It's so bright, man. They still got the stuff down on the ground?
Yeah, they gotta clean it.
Oh, wow. Is it good? I'm thirsty.
Looks good, looks good.
Hey, man, this is the AC. That's all. What am I going to put right here?
They still have to clean up because the table is supposed to go underneath it. Take y'all shoes off once y'all hit the tip of them stairs.
Mom, what's the point of having a table if we don't eat at the table? Decoration, boy. Look at the bathroom. Dang. Oh, wait, we're gonna work. I think, oh, she got that. I'm gonna put it down here and take a shot.
Put the light on. Come down now, maybe. They still have to clean the floors, but it's really nice. Y'all FaceTime and I just so she can see. I'm gonna put everything in the brush. Isn't that nice? They got to fix this. Look like they trying to. They put some type of stucco right there. Oh, that's not. Look like they did fix it. They just got to clean it off. What's wrong with my fireplace? Oh, they had to put the switch. They did it. Of course, I doubt it's going to work. They got to clean up all around it. What's this? Gotta put a bulb right there. What is this for? The floors. Where's Winter's shoes and her diaper bag?
In her diaper bag.
Oh. Alright, sorry guys, I had got a phone call, but our walkthrough is on Monday. Our final walkthrough is on Monday. And we are so excited. I have to sit down and tell you guys the bumps in the road that we experienced throughout the process, but it is a blessing. We are all here. We're about to close, and I also have to close on my home, the home that we are in. We are blessing another family. Yes.
Look, yeah, you ain't got no choice but to go have sex on this 3.
They didn't fix the window yet? Jamel, that's a new window or no?
No, it's still cracked. I'm gonna sit right
It
there.
still got a crack. Okay, well that's fine.
Yes, I do.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to video on the final walkthrough for you guys because the housekeepers have to clean. He saw me downstairs in the driveway. He was like, I have to clean your house. Like, I'm gonna clean it. They still have to fix the toilet seat. But yes, the third bathroom looks good.
Just pay for the shoes and then you don't have to pay me. Just how? Man, come on, because I need these things. Like, I want them so bad. I was telling you.
Stairs look good.
God.
Alright guys, so this is it for today's vlog. I will come back hopefully with the final walkthrough, and yeah, thank you guys. Be blessed. Bye bye to my old home. Going to miss it. We are selling our house today. On to bigger and better things. You ready?
Yay.
Oh, good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I have some good news. I haven't been able to share with you guys, but I know I look rough. I know I look rough. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm working from home today, so I just got up, washed my face. Excuse me. But guys, we closed on our house. We have been in the home for about like 5 days. We're still trying to get settled, still trying to get unpacked, still trying to order furniture, but we are in here, guys. Y'all, we made it in. It's crazy because we did get delayed again, but it was just by like 3 days. But we in. I haven't been able to come on because with my other job at the hospital, like when we closed, Literally, I had to work that night, and I just been on go with work and stuff and haven't had time to sit down, process it, nothing, y'all. So we are in this thing, y'all. I'm gonna start vlogging some home updates and projects and all of that good stuff for you guys. Kind of change this channel's direction now since the home is built. There is definitely a lot of DIYs that I want to do and get started on. So that will be coming up soon. But yes, y'all, we are in. We closed January 7th. It's been a long 15-month journey with building this house, but we are in. God is good. And yeah, so I'll come back later and talk to you guys. Bye.